Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on TECNO Pova 6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now click Agree. And your account should be now removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store to recover your Google account. So you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.